Welcome back. 7:38 live look in New Orleans right now. It has been 20 years since Hurricane Katrina devastated the Gulf Coast. New Orleans clearly was ground zero. That city has gone through significant urban infrastructure, economic recovery, lots of projects. Walt Leger joins us this morning from Caesars Superdome in New Orleans. Good morning, Walt. Good to see you.
Good morning, Lauren. Thank you so much. And as we're thrilled to be with you, but we also want to really thank the people of Dallas and of Texas. 20 years ago, so many of our friends, neighbors, and family were taken in by people across that great state, and we're incredibly grateful for that, always will be.
You know, I think about those days and watching it all unfolds and the days after, and remembering the Superdome, for example. I mean, that was a last resort for a lot of flood victims who simply had nowhere to go. In one sense, you look at that and that image stays stuck in your head. But that Superdome has also become, you know, a place that people are celebrating in New Orleans too, right?
Absolutely. You know, as you mentioned, it was a place that did shelter some of our residents at a time that they needed it the most, and obviously took a lot of damage as well. It was then a 30-year-old building. Now here we are 20 years later. It is a 50-year-old building that's been renovated, restored, invested in, and it continues to be one of the most iconic destinations for major sporting events and cultural events anywhere. You know, the home of Taylor Swift just over a year ago, the 8th Super Bowl. Just a few months ago here in New Orleans, the 8th Super Bowl in the Superdome, a record. No other venue in America has had that many, and it's something that we're really proud of. We're proud that it's a 50-year-old building that's been through all the things that the people of this community have been through, and it's still standing. It's a symbol of our resilience in many ways.
Yeah. You were born and raised in New Orleans, so your heart clearly is there. And, you know, I'm curious, there were some people after that said, what, rebuild? No way. Like, this is just going to happen again. Why should we rebuild New Orleans? What do you say to those people now?
Yeah, I think back then what we were saying was, how could you ever dream of not rebuilding a place like New Orleans? One of the most iconic, special, remarkable, unique communities anywhere on the planet, a place full of joy, a place full of creativity, and a center of innovation, amazing international port and hub for international transit. We have to rebuild it. And so fortunately, those naysayers were shouted down, and the people of this country said that New Orleans would come back, and the people of our community made sure of it each and every day. We've now got a $14 billion flood protection and hurricane protection system that surrounds the city. It's been tested over the last few years, and it's come through with flying colors. That has sparked tens of billions of dollars of other infrastructure investment, as well as private investment, that has helped our community to continue to be a very special place for conferences, conventions, meetings, and major events of all kind. And also just a great place to live and work. And so we're incredibly proud of the community, and also grateful for the partnership of the federal government. Of course, so many people across the country have supported us along the way.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your insight. We appreciate it. Can't wait to get back to New Orleans. Love it.
We look forward to having you. Thank you.
It is 7:42 coming up. Join us tonight as Fox 4 journalists share their experiences. They were there covering Hurricane Katrina, the day it happened, the days after. We have a new special report. It's called Katrina 20 Years Later. You can watch it tonight at 7 on Fox Local. Fox Local app is free to download.